Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find GEICO customer service phone numbers. I'll be using the website gethuman.com, which lists all the important numbers for GEICO in one place. So let's get started. First, open any browser on your device and go to gethuman.com/phone number/GEICO. Once the page loads, you'll see the main GEICO customer service phone number displayed right at the top. This is usually the fastest way to reach a live person. Now, if you scroll down a little bit, you'll notice that the site also shows different phone numbers for different departments. For example, there are separate numbers for claims, travelers and home site customer service, homeowners insurance, and many more. This makes it easy to find the exact number you need instead of going through long transfers. Another useful feature here is the average wait time information. The site shows you approximately how long it usually takes to connect with the representative, so you'll know what to expect before calling. If you need step-by-step instructions, the page also lists best practices for contacting GEICO support, like what to press in the automated menu to get faster help. That's all for today's tutorial on how to find GEICO customer service phone numbers. If this was helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more simple guides.